guys, happy Women's Day to all the ladies out there. Please remember, you are a creator of your own world. You are the strongest people, females, ladies, girls watching this channel. And even if you are just a viewer, visitor, you are very strong people, okay, strong personalities. All the women out there, happy Women's Day to you all. Today we will see that what is coming up for you, especially for ladies, but even men can watch it if they wish to. But this is specially dedicated to all my women and ladies out there on Women's Day. And we have specially kept tea set for you. So all my ladies, girls, females out there, happy Women's Day once again. Choose one pile, okay, what is going to come up for you, okay, what's next for you. This is option 1. This small teapot and tea set, okay, the small teapot tea set, orange color teapot tea set. The second one is pink teapot tea set, okay. So yeah, hope you can see option 1. Option 2, what is coming up for you ladies, what is coming up for you women, girls, female. This video is dedicated to you all. So what is going to happen next in your life, whatever the energy, we will see and we will check. So we will not waste much time, directly we will go with this option. I'll keep this aside, okay. So yeah, so let's see those who have chose this teapot, option number 2, this tea set, what is going to happen. I'll just keep it aside, keep it over here. Option 1. Oh my god, wow. King of Cups, Queen of Wands. Very intuitive people are watching. You had a breakup with a Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or a Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. They are coming back. Yes. You guys are feeling very sad. I feel like that. Definitely. Let's see what's next for you. I hope you can see all the cards, guys. I hope you can see all the cards. Let's see. So what else? Take action, okay. What do you need to release? I am unapologetic about what I desire, and I trust that what I focus on will grow. Start where you are, okay. I'll just adjust this. So people, those who ladies watching this, you had a breakup with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. I can see that there is some sort of ending. Definitely I can see the relationship has ended or breakup has happened, but it can be anything. Some sort of shocking ending has occurred with this Tower movement. I can see that in your life. And someone has deceived you, cheated you, ditched you. That person can be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Very logical person he was or he is. I can feel it. This is the ladies reading, so I will definitely use words like this only, because this is this video is dedicated to specially women on Women's Day. So all my women, you people are very strong. All the ladies, you guys are strong, okay. So yeah, someone has deceived you, cheated you, okay, and left you out in a cold, like left you like this with nothing. You felt like nothing. After that, you have gone through some sort of spiritual journey, or you have turned more into your power, or you have turned more towards spirituality. Some of you were dealing with your twin flame, and definitely you have changed people. Those ladies who's watching, you guys are very intuitive. I'm so sorry. So you ladies are very intuitive. You might have a cat, or you might have some sort of pet, a bird. You have a bird, or any animal, or any pet you might have, okay. And yeah, so this person was behaving very sneaky. Now he wants to come and talk to you and offer you his love, his cup of love. but it's not as you expecting. It is quite quite swallow, quite small offer, and they have left you like this, like this person, very sorrowful. You, those who's if you are lady watching this, I can feel that there is a lot of masculine energy in you, because you have suffered alone, you have did everything on your own, you have you are earning on your own, you have done everything on your own. If you have a children, you are doing everything on your own. I can feel it for some of you. Definitely, if you have children, now you are going to get justice from angels. The judgment card we have received. I can also feel that Buddha, you believe in Buddha, or Buddha is working you behind the scenes, working with you behind the scenes to get you to the spiritual journey, to get you in alignment. I feel like that some of you are big people watching this. Definitely you are the creator, guys. You can be a spiritual leader, you can be a teacher, you can be a healer, you can be a tarot reader, you can be astrologer, you can be some sort of leader or a boss in a company or a entrepreneur. You are going to create something, definitely, but more vibe I am getting is spirituality vibe, spiritual vibe I am getting. And definitely that person who has behaved like a deceitful manner, in a deceitful sneaky manner, that person is going to come and offer you love. I can also see new person is also going to come if you are waiting for, but something is big. Your incarnation on this earth is very big, and whatever you focus on, it will grow, guys. You have that power, and you have that creator energy in you, that whatever you focus on, it will grow. So I wanted to focus on positive thoughts and positive things, and I wanted to take action on your career, on yourself, and don't be lazy, okay? Don't just be sitting like that, okay? You have that power. If you can see, this person is on the horse, unicorn. Can you see the rainbow and light in his hands? So I can feel that you can create the magic, you can create the things which you want. You are the creator people, basically, manifester, spirituality, spiritual people, strong leader type of vibe I am getting. So you need to release this person, the past person, if he has cheated you, because this person is still holding back and he don't share his emotions. And he will come, definitely he will come and offer his cup of love. But I feel like it's not a big deal for you. Whenever he'll come back, you will be very focused on you'll focus on your career, job, family life, and something big you are going to do. You are the creator people. With this pentacle, if you are facing any money issue or stability issue currently in your life, I can feel that it is going to be resolved, okay guys? Don't worry, it is going to be resolved. And you are going to get justice from the angels, whoever did you wrong, whether it was your ex-lover, ex-husband, past person, lover, or a friend or colleague or anyone. They did you wrong and this shocking ending has happened. They are going to regret it, and you are going to achieve more success. The message for you is that start where you are. The great thing about feeling deep, profound, earth-shaking love is that you can start with anyone. Next, the universe. So universe is telling you to choose the next person, choose the new person. Do not wait for this person, and they will come back, and they are coming back. And don't whenever they come back, I don't think you are going to entertain them. I don't feel it like that. And if you are thinking to accept them back, I would advise you, the card is advising you, universe, spirit guides, angels are advising that choose the new one, choose the next one, new love. Don't wait for this person. This person is no good for you. So yeah, that message is coming up for you. Now let's see the charms. And a lot of money is going to come, guys, for you, and you going to be famous. You may be on twin flame or journey or some sort of spiritual journey. Okay, you can be a divine feminine watching this. I can strongly feel with this integration and Queen of Wands card. Definitely a divine feminine you guys are watching. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius you can be. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Yeah, yeah. So you need to release your ex, your past person. If this is your ex, past person who has cheated you or gave you some shocking news, so you will not get anything out of this person. So you need to release them and just choose your path, choose your spirituality, choose your self-love. Okay, choose, focus on yourself. Let's see the charms for you. Okay, wow, let's see. Some of you, if you are not on a twin flame journey, on and not on a spirituality, I think you should focus to and concentrate more towards spirituality, and turn more towards spirituality. Listen to your intuition. Initials for you, we have received T, H, C, D. Okay, and one more, it is O. So D, O, T, C, H are the initials. Someone's name, middle name, surname, company name, place name. Okay, it can be. I can feel that you have lost money. You are facing money issues, money trouble right now, but don't worry. Okay, you are going, for some of you, you are going to get something in your inheritance or property, or something regarding property. You'll get money. You might sell some property, or you will get some money through property, and or inheritance, something like that. You'll receive money. Okay, and situation will be balanced out. 6 number might be important to you. And color currently, if you are in darkness, black color I am feeling, then rainbow color will come in your life. Your life will be colorful. Okay, and yeah, yes, you will grow. You are going to grow and shine like anything. You are going to grow and shine like a rainbow, like a sun, like a sunflower. So those sort of vibes and feelings I am getting. You people are very big. Okay, you have something way bigger on this earth than just love and getting married and having a child. I can see something bigger is going to happen. Some of you have the Leo sign. Leo people are watching. You have the sun sign in Leo sun sign people are watching. Or sun is very much highlighted in your reading. Sunflower and rainbow is very much highlighted in your reading. So you guys are going to shine, rock, and do something big for the earth. I can feel that, for humanity. And you are going to blossom, guys, and colors will come in your life. And I can also feel that you have the sun sign of Leo, most of you. For some of you it can be, not all, for all of you. Yeah, so this is what I feel for you. This is what is coming up for you guys. If you really liked, please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below how did you find, did it resonated. And okay, don't worry. And you, for personal reading, you can contact me. My details are in the description box below. Please remember, this is a general reading. It will not match or resonate with each and every one of you. Okay, and I will not disconnect the video. I will just skip you can just skip the pile 2. We will move to the pile 2. Okay, so let's see for the pile 2. Okay, we will just keep this aside. Okay, those, now let's see pile 2. Those who have chose this set, tea set, pink tea set. Isn't it cute, guys? Cute little small teapot and cup and this jug, little tea set. Let's see what is going to happen next in your life. What is coming up for you? What is your energy? Past, present, future, what current energy, whatever we will see. We will check what I can see. I hope you guys can see all the cards. Yeah. So you might be dealing with Aries, the Fool reverse. We will take it. Okay. Okay. You are ready. The lovers. Oh, no, this is not lovers. This is 10 of cups, I guess. Just a second. I'll just sink in you with your energy. Okay, so you people are dealing with Aries sign, and you are thinking, or your person is thinking in a thinking mode. The Tower card in this pile also, we have received the tower card, so you might want to watch pile 1 as well, and you might have selected pile 1 as well, and if you are interested, you can watch pile 1 as well, because few messages are maybe resonating for you, because the Tower card we have received in pile 1 as well. So you might be going through some health issues or some anxiety issues, confusion, depression. A lot of thinking is going on, and for some of you, you have left a job, or you have been rejected by someone, or by Aries person, or by by a boss, or by entrepreneur, or you have been rejected or fired in a job situation, something like that I am feeling, and you are waiting for your pentacles, your money, your love life to grow. Okay, you have invested a lot of things and a lot of stuff, your time, money, energy, everything in that person, or in that particular situation, or in that particular job. You need now this Tower moment to wipe out of your life, because something shockingly has definitely ended in your life. This can be regarding your family or actual home situation also. Okay, so you have left the house. I can feel like left the house, something like that. I can feel you definitely want a committed relationships. For some of you, you guys are married and you have 2 children. You are spending your life with your lover, with your loved one, and you love your husband or wife, and you are married, happily married. I can feel like that. And if you are not married, then you are in a committed relationship and you want to get married with your lover, with your person. I can feel that. And there is a strong, intense, passionate connection you guys share. Definitely physical relationship, passionate, intense connection, intimate connection you guys share with each other. So you are waiting for the new beginning, but something recently has ended before 5 months or 3 months, or 5 weeks or 3 weeks. But I can see before 5 months or 3 months something has ended in your life. So message for you is that step out of your comfort zone, North Node. So this is regarding your past life. I can feel it. You might not know now, but you will. So a lot of questions are going on in your head, in your mind. You are thinking a lot, and your person is also thinking a lot. If you are dealing with someone, think of someone very, very special to you. Now feel yourself bursting with love for them. Now mentally shower, drench, and soak them in that love. Now mentally shower, drench, and soak yourself in my love. Now feel it always, the universe. So the universe is saying that, the way you love others, you can love me also, and I also love you the same way. So universe is saying that to you. So focus on your self love, and the answers you need are coming. Okay, another message for you is that attack, pain, fear, judgment, and any form of separation are merely calls for help. So you basically in a separation with your person, definitely, and you want a new beginning with your person, but the Fool we have received, so it is not happening. You are waiting for the new beginning. The Fool reverse, you are waiting for the new beginning, but it is not happening. Okay, you are waiting for your person to come, because he has left you out in the cold, and now you are not feeling sleeping properly. You're feeling good, some sort of anxiety or confusion, and health issue you are facing. Some of you have celebrated someone's birthday, or is going to celebrate someone's birthday within 3 months. And the Tower card we have received, the shocking end which you have faced recently will get you to the 10 of Cups. Okay, will get you to to the Ten of Cups, because you are ready. You are ready to have a family life, you are ready to have kids, you are ready to progress, you are ready to grow. If you are married, you are ready to have a children. Okay, if you already have a child, you are ready to have another child. So you are basically ready to have a stable, happy family love life. Okay, you want to do love marriage, you want to spend your life with your person. Okay, I can feel it. That person can be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Strongly I am feeling the Aries and Sagittarius vibe. Leo fire sign or element is strongly over here, and Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and for some of you Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and for some of you Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces also. So that this connection's intensity and was so strong. Yeah, but this person, if you are dealing with a egoistic person or a boss or a leader or Aries sign, this person is quite lazy to take any action with you. They have left you out in the cold, even though they are strongly feeling these connections. They have passionate feelings, but they are not taking any step, and you feel like a lot of fear and you are in pain. They have judged you, or they have fear, and you are currently in the separation mode with your person, and you need guidance and you need help. You are looking for help. So that is why you are looking a lot of tarot readings also to get a help. Okay, so you need a private personal guidance. If you can have a personal reading with me. If not, then I will tell you that you don't need to worry about your money situation or person situation, because you are going to have the Ten of Cups life, because you are ready and you are going to live with your lover. Okay, so this can be resonating to some of you. Okay, and your person is currently in a thinking mode, thinking. Okay, not taking any action, showing ego. He might have a fire element in his chart, or a boss or entrepreneur, definitely. And he's being lazy, he's not taking any action. You want new beginning in with this person, but this person is not taking any action. My god. So let's see. So universe is saying that focus on yourself, soak yourself in my love. So love yourself and love the universe and love the god, angels, and they will help you. Okay, because this connection was your past life connection, definitely. And you need to step out of your comfort zone. Okay, don't just just come out of this Five of Pentacle lack mentality. You don't have a boyfriend, or you don't have a husband, or you don't have a money. So just come out of that situation, lack mentality. I'm not saying that you just you if you are not for example, if you don't have job and you are looking for a job, so just come out of the thought that I don't have a job, I don't have a job, I don't have a job. Instead, think like that, positive visualization, do like that, positive affirmation, that I have a job, I already got a job, whichever job I wanted, whichever pay I wanted, I have got the job. Same goes with your person, and same goes for anything in your life. Now let's see the charms for you. Just properly check again. Okay, so yeah, you definitely, you had a heartbreak. Someone has left you out in the cold, your heart is broken, and the Tower moment we have received. Definitely this person was your past life connection, or your soulmate, or some of you twin flame. So you had a breakup and Tower moment with this person. This person has left you out in the cold, and they person feel this connection strongly, but they are showing the ego. And they might have coming from they might have a status reputation issue, status reputation monies issue. I mean to say, there is some sort of difference, whether caste or religion difference, or some sort of money difference, status difference, reputation difference. They might belong to a wealthy background, I can feel that. And this person can be water sign, or you are a water sign. Initials for you, we have received W and Y and P, and another, we will take out some more initials for you. So W, P, Y, E, B, M and I. Okay, this can be your person's name, middle name, surname, company name, place name. This can be anything. Okay, take what resonate with you. E, W, B, P, M, I and Y. So guys, Wheel of Fortune charm we have received, everything is going to be in your favor. Okay, don't worry. And if you are facing money trouble, you are going to receive money. Okay, and Aries sign and another also I am feeling Libra sign. So your person was very much charming and very sweet talking type of a person. He thinks he is a king himself, but actually he is not king. Okay, he is quite immature because he is showing a lot of ego. Another initial we have received A, and this mirror we have received. So you might be on a twin flame journey. For some of you, you might be on a twin flame journey. E W B M I Y P A are the initials. This can be you or your person's initial. Libra sign we have received, and Taurus sign we have received. Trustworthy and charming personality. Okay, so this can be you or your person. So your person might be on a high level position, or a entrepreneur, a businessman, or a boss, but he is not acting that way. I mean to say, he is quite immature. He is showing so much ego to you. Okay, and you, what you need to do is that you need to heal your heart chakra. Okay, you need to heal your heart chakra. You can wear a green stone, any color, light green stone, uh, and wear it, wear a necklace. Okay, green stones. 2 number we have received in a dice. So this is your past life connection, and this is your other half, your soulmate, your twin flame, and this is a past life connection and your partnership issue. 2 number we have received. So your partnership issue will be resolved. You guys will get married. Okay, 10 of cups we have received, and you guys will be celebrating together. You might this person might call you on your birthday or on his birthday. Currently your love life is not going well. Definitely some sort of breakup or ending you are facing. Some sort of separation is going on, definitely. But we have received the coin, so some sort of surprise or news you are going to get from this person on his birthday, on your, or else on your birthday. 1984 year I am seeing. So it can be your or your person's year, birth year, or 50 can be someone's age, or 50 number or 5 number might be significant to you. Till that time you want a new beginning with that person, but till that time you need to do some meditation. You should focus on your self. You should heal your heart chakra, and you should do some creative stuff that will heal your heart chakra. I can see some creativity vibe also. So you should focus on your creativity, on your money situation, on yourself. Okay, and your wish will be fulfilled. The star we have received. So your wish will be fulfilled. Wheel of Fortune charm will turn in your favor. It means this fortune charm will turn in your favor, and your love life will be going smooth with this person. You will do love marriage with this person. And Ganesha also we have received, small Ganesha. So there are no obstacle in your way. Okay, this is just a temporary separation, I can feel that. But till that time you need to focus on your money, on your creativity, and in yourself, on yourself. Okay, and Ganesha we have received. So Ganesha giving you blessing that you guys will get married with the love of your life, and there are no obstacle. And if any obstacle is there, a separation is there, it will be removed. Okay, it will be removed. Work on your heart chakra, sacral chakra, and solar plexus chakra. Okay, and after that you will be able to get married with this person because you are ready. And 10 of cups, and this card we have received. Okay, you people are very creative. Okay, I am feeling like something regarding birth date, birthday. Why I am feeling birthday. So he didn't wish you, or you didn't wish him, something like that. And they are going to contact you on your next birthday, or him or his next birthday. If not, then you are going to celebrate, guys, together. Definitely you are going to do party with each other, definitely. And temporary, this is a separation. This separation has been brought by the universe so that you can focus on yourself. You can ask for the guidance, you can do some meditation, so you can turn into a spirituality, you can, you know, focus on your creativity, on your money situation. So that is why twice we have received Ganesha. So yeah, currently there are obstacles, but it will be removed. Okay, so for some of you, your person might was married in the past and now he got divorced, something like that, or he was engaged, or he was about to get married and then he got separated or something. uh, Engagement or marriage was broken, something like that. Because twice we have received Ganesha, so it is showing me that this person is going to marry to you. This will be his second marriage, or this can be you. Your second marriage will be your with your person or a lover, or your past person, whoever person is on your mind, or that can be or vice versa also. So yes, this person was engaged either, or got married to someone else, or they got divorced, or the engagement was broke and they were about to get married but marriage didn't happen. Some obstacle has came in their life because they were the karmic person. Your person was dealing with a karmic person, now they are going to get married to you, and then obstacle will be removed. Okay, so if your person was engaged to someone else, their engagement has been called off, their engagement has been broken. Okay, their engagement has been what to say, this person basically has broke off with that. If somebody else was involved, if third party was involved, this person has been separated or broken with that person, whether he was engaged or married or whatever the situation was. So I can feel third person is in the term, in the sense of another person, or his fiance or girlfriend, or his wife, anyone. But I can see the engagement was broken, or the marriage was broken, divorce happened, breakup happened, and yeah, separation happened, and you know, it's all the friendship and the good talking terms also has been not there in that person's life and third party's life. I can see that your reading is quite getting longer than expected. Yeah, a lot of messages are coming in this, but your wish will be fulfilled. Okay, you are going to get married, even if your person was not engaged or married to someone else, you guys are getting married together. Even if they were with somebody else, they have left that situation, they are going to come, and universe is going to make you unite. I can feel that. So this is what I feel for you, pile 2. All the women are out there, happy Women's Day. This is the special reading for all the ladies, women, ladies, females, girls, to know that what is coming up for you, especially on Women's Day, what is coming up for you and what is going to happen, what's next for you, what is your energy. This reading was specially for my ladies, and men can also watch, but this video completely dedicated to my loyal ladies and loyal viewers, subscribers. Happy Women's Day out there. Please remember, this will be a general reading, it will be not matching or resonating with each and every one of you. And for a personal reading, you can contact me on Instagram at Divine Energy Tarot, or you can email me. And what else? Thank you so much. Okay, like, share, subscribe if you really liked. We will see you in next video. Bye bye guys. Happy Women's Day.